Today we're going to be working on the spark wires or ignition wires or the things that you attach to your spark plugs. So the way most LS engines are done is they have all their coil packs up here, which means that you got a short little wire going to your spark plugs, but you're covering up the engine with pretty much a ugly big thing of black stuff. And what I did is take those big ugly black things and put them down here. So these are called remote coils, which you saw me install a few videos ago. And now what I need to do is custom make wires that go from the spark plugs down to here. And then I made sure that, you know, this one's going to the furthest one, this one's going, and then this one goes to the shortest one. So, you know, they're all in the right order. Same thing on the other side. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to crimp up our own wires and see how it goes. So these spark plugs that I actually have in here are the original ones that came with the engine before I rebuilt it. And I left them in there because I actually used it to block the holes from being painted. So these are actually all painted up. So now I'm going to replace these, and then I have to do some custom wire links. Since I use the remote coils, I have to actually custom make my spark plug wires to fit. Well, there's 4 cables in. This is a major pain in the ass. I'm getting the hang of it, but it's brutal. I gotta do 4 more. And the other thing that's really weird is the instructions are just not correct for what this product is. You know, they got certain products you buy off the shelf, they fit, right? And then they got, you know, customized products, and they got different crimpers. And, you know, they're like, oh, you need to put a shrink wrap on the end. Well, the shrink wrap doesn't even fit into the coil opening, so that doesn't work. Then, you know, they say put the boot on afterwards. There's no way in hell you could get that boot on afterwards. The boot barely even fits on the you know, cable itself, let alone the connector, let alone any shrink wrap or anything like that. So, you know, and I would have put the boot on normally beforehand, because that's, you know, just like doing heat shrink and stuff like that. And now they tell you to do the opposite, and there's just no way, at least not with this model that I'm using. So a little bit of a learning curve just because the instructions aren't that great. However, the product seems great. So I really like the product itself. So in any case, that's the update on that. 4 more to go. All right, so we got everything all locked in, all wired up. It's looking pretty good. Hopefully they work. that's a whole nother side. Hopefully they work. But I actually love the product. I think it's a great product. It's solid and all that stuff. I just wasn't thrilled with the instructions. And I think part of it is there's multiple instructions and you just don't know what's for what. And half of this stuff is just, you know, doesn't apply to this model. So, but besides that, great product. Looks good. It's going to match the motif of the car. So excited about that too. And that's about it. So have a great day.